Well, hi there. I'm with B, who's right there. And tonight we're going to see if we can find the Treasure Island boat parade. First time we've been to a boat parade, and we're terribly excited. We have no idea where we're going to park or what we're going to see, but we're up for it. So join us and let's see what happens. Oh dear, I've just realised that I've left B's leash at home. So I'm going to have to be creative, and I'm thinking I'll use my belt. Maybe that'll work. We'll see. So we found this spot opposite John's Pass where they're supposed to end. I'm going to go back and get my chair. I'm not sure if where we parked is legal, we're supposed to pay or anything, but there's a lot of other people here, so maybe it'll be all right. This is our view right now. Look at that. That's John's Pass right there. Gonna go have a look around maybe later. The boats are gonna turn around right here. How cool is that? There's some kind of boat doing something. Hey look, the bridge was open and now it's closing. How very cool is that? Never seen that before. These kind people have agreed to hold on to B while I go for a cigarette.
You want to wait till the boats are
No, hello ladies, how are you?
fine?
So why are you dressed up tonight?
It's Christmas.
Ah, that's a good reason, huh?
It's the Treasure Island boat parade. Yeah.
There you go. So when are the boats going to get here?
In about 10, 15 minutes.
Oh really, that soon? Oh, excellent. Well, thank you very much.
Smokey and the Bandit on me? I have Smokey and the Bandit.
Wow, look, and there is the moon. How cool is that? Pete, look at me. You getting restless? Me too. B is getting restless. Where are the boats? This had better be worth it because we got here at 6:30 and it's now 9:30, so that's 3 hours we've been waiting to see these boats. It had better be good. So, B, we waited 3 hours to see those boats, and there was like 10 boats and that was it. But it was worth it, wasn't it? Wait, look at me. It was worth it, wasn't it? That was fun. I really enjoyed that. It's 10 o'clock at night and we're heading home. So I think we'll do John's Pass in Madeira Beach another day. B and I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining us, and always do good things. Hey, B. Oi, B. Do you have fun? Huh? Yeah? Good stuff. So did I. Go to bed now. Go. Settle down. There you go. All right. Hey, Alexa. Can you please turn off the bedroom light? Okay. Thank you. Good night.